Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with the design team project share, and it's well overdue, and I do apologize for that. And this one is for a digital download, or it's digital paper that it is created by Candida Lorusso, and she is on YouTube and Instagram, Candida Lorusso. She has an Etsy shop, Creations Candida, and then I will link everything down on the description below so you guys could go over and check it out. So the digital that I received was a romantic paper. Basically it's more like a ceremony, but it has 18 digitals, and let me go ahead and show you. I did not print them out, so I do apologize. Oh my goodness, hopefully you guys do not get so much glare. So this is one right here. Here's the second one, and what these are basically envelopes, tags, anything. So you could basically pocket letters. So excuse my shadow, hi. So anyways, so this is what they look like, and this is what the digital comes like, and it is so cute, you guys. Oh, sorry. And do excuse the light, the glare. Oh my goodness. So I wasn't able to print them all out right now because my printer's having issues. So I decided to just go ahead and show you guys what they look like. And this is what they look like, and beautiful. So you guys, it's kind of hard to see with the glare and everything, but hopefully you guys are able to see. And look how beautiful. That one. So anyways, this is 18 digital papers, like I said, and they are so beautiful, you guys, so beautiful. And that's the last one. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. And this is the first one, and then what's inside. I did the tag, and then I just did the like a little card, like an ATC card, and just embellished it. So that's one. And then I went ahead and used this one. There you go. And it's also an envelope. And then I went ahead and did this tag, this ATC. I think this one's a little bit bigger than regular ATC. And then this right here, it's a little tag. There you go. Oops. And let me show you the next one. So this is my last project, and I wanted to show you guys and see what it looks like. So look at you guys. What do you guys think? This is my first like a junk journal kind of. So oh my goodness, I fell in love with that. OMG. So anyways, so this is a die I bought not too long ago on Amazon, and I believe it's from cathyscreativekrafts. And then as you open it, and I made it really simple. I didn't want to put anything on here or anything, because of course whoever I gift this to might want to put pictures, or they might want to do a journaling and write on it. So I just put like the simplest things. So embrace, and then I did another one here. And then I put the little sticker here, and I did resize these pockets. As you guys know, with digitals you could resize, and then there's just the little pocket or the little ATC card that goes there. There you go. And then this one, and then ATC, and this is a little note card. So like I said, whoever this is gifted to can write their notes, their thoughts, and possibly place a picture there. And there you go. And then this one has a little Velcro pocket, and then it has a little tag inside. Like I said, you can resize. So awesome. That is it for my project share. Thank you, Candida, for allowing me to design with your beautiful digitals. And like I said, I will link her YouTube, her Instagram, and her Etsy shop down on the description below. And oh my gosh, she has beautiful design digitals there. Oh my goodness. So anyways, thank you again. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.